This is 3-phase power. Is inputted to this position. The 3-phase power comes in. This can be connected without distinction. You can connect the yellow, green, and red wires randomly. This is a sample signal line. The sampled signal is sampled from the instrument terminal of the test transformer. The 2 red lines are the output. Output to the input of the test transformer. This one. This is the ground wire on the control box. It is connected to ground terminal on test transformer and meter ground terminal of test transformer. Just connect them all to the ground. This is the grounding of the meter terminal. The 400 volts of control box is input from the red line to the transformer. High voltage end of test transformer. Output high voltage to the tested object. This meter measures the voltage on the meter side of the transformer. This position is the voltage on the meter side of the transformer. This is to measure the low voltage current. This is the voltage of the voltage divider. The one I point to, the voltage of this voltage divider. The voltage divider's ratio is 2000, so multiply the reading of this meter by 2000. That's the voltage of the voltage divider. Now, let's operate it. Here's the frequency. Then the low voltage and low voltage current. This is the target test voltage. Can be set. This is start. Click to start. This is selection key. There are manual and automatic. We are using manual now. Let's first see how to set the frequency. You need to go back first in the parameter configuration. We can enter the parameters ourselves. We can choose and input the desired frequency ourselves. But when you use a test transformer, you can only choose 50 Hz. You can only enter 50 Hz. Confirm. This is the experimental voltage. Set the voltage you need. For example, 40 kilovolts can be set to 40. Or 35 kVA is fine. It's optional. We set a maximum of 50. This is the hour, minute, and second. This is flashover protection. This is overvoltage protection. This is overcurrent protection. These are automatic. Leave it there. This overvoltage protection can be manually selected. Just a little higher than the test voltage. This is return. Click here when you need to start test. This is the rising frequency. This has a frequency step selection. Our maximum is 5. Now we choose 5. Just make sure it's 5. This is the step up voltage. Also 5 volts maximum, and the minimum is 0.1 volt. This is up frequency, down frequency, voltage up, voltage down. Now we are using manual mode, and as we rise frequency, we hold it like this. Press it and hold it, and the frequency will automatically rise slowly, because it increase 5 Hz and 5 Hz little by little, up to 50 Hz. If you set as 50 Hz, after it goes up to 50 Hz, the button to raise the frequency will be disabled. This is voltage rise. And that voltage is also increase 5 by 5. We are also holding on. This low voltage output also go up 5 by 5. At this time, this is the voltage fed back from this transformer. It's here. Is a high voltage. When low voltage rises, the high voltage is also slowly rising. Do the 50 kV power frequency withstand voltage test? No need looking at this curve. The voltage is too low. We use this for high voltage use, series resonance Hipot test use, and whose voltage is high and curve will be more obvious. Almost reach. We're at 50 kilovolts. This is 49.9. It's 50 kilovolts. This is the voltage of the meter coil. It's full voltage, which is 100 volts. Yes. This should be correct. This is the voltage sampled by the voltage divider. The voltage is 2000 to 1. So 25 by 2000 is 50 kilovolts. This is an ammeter. The load is not large now. Only a little over 3 amps. Now I'm starting to directly reduce the voltage. Press voltage stops. The voltage will automatically drop. When the voltage drop, no need press any button. First of all, when choosing automatic, directly, set a parameter first. If it's 50 kilovolts, at 50 Hz, we directly drop voltage down and stop. Select the mode, automatic. Click Start Test automatically. It will automatically rise to 50 Hz. After reaching 50 Hz, it will automatically increase voltage. I don't click anything. It will automatically increase the voltage. It goes up to 50 kilovolts and stops automatically. Is this suitable for beginners? It depends on user's habit. Generally, automatic is easy. Series resonance Hipot test set allows the output voltage to be monitored with a voltage divider. Equip a voltage divider. Series resonance set has no meter. Just use the voltage divider to monitor it. But large transformers can also be equipped with voltage dividers. Here when reach 50 kilovolts, it starts automatically timing. This is 100 volts. That corresponds to 50 kilovolts. Variable ratio of metering coil is definitely no problem. This is within the margin of error. That's 1% error. The depressurization has been completed. Time is up. The timer is usually set to 1 minute. Empty voltage rise is done. Full load experiment. To connect a load. This is our load. This is one simulated loads. A capacitor. And this is the voltage divider. The voltage divider is connected to this meter. This meter multiplied by 2000 is the voltage of the voltage divider. That's the output voltage of the dry transformer. This is the dry type transformer coil voltage. That's the voltage at this position. It's the same. Parameter setting. Same as just now. Return. Select, and use manual first. I'll click Start Experiment. Hold still. Its frequency gradually rises. If it goes up to 50 Hz, it's forbidden to go up. There is a ban button, and won't let you rise. Rising voltage now. Hold on. The voltage will rise little by little. Okay, reaches. With full load, due to capacitive voltage rise. The voltage displayed on the control box is about 44 kV. There will be some difference with the voltage displayed by voltage divider. When carrying light loads, there is no difference. Because now a capacitive load is connected. Analog simulated load is a fully loaded state. Low voltage current 25A, which is in a full load state. Therefore, this capacitor has a capacitive voltage rise. Therefore, when the control box outputs 50 kV, the voltage output by the dry type transformer will be higher than 50 kV. Now we have completed. And then the voltage is dropping. The voltage automatically dropped down after 1 minute.
Thanks for watching the tutorial video prepared by HD Yoga Manufacturing.